Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to talk to you about Turbo. This is an asset that has been doing very well over the coming weeks and months or so, and it's on a bit of a pullback right now. A massive opportunity for Turbo to do well here. If you look at the last month, it's actually up 45%, having an explosive run with Bitcoin smashing all-time highs as well. Turbo is on a bit of a pullback, as we said now, but it's looking like today we might be seeing a bit of hopium, a bit of hope in the space right now, and it is seeming to continually rise here over the last sort of a couple of weeks or so here. So what does that sort of tell us here, and what can we really be looking out for there? Okay, so in the last 1 day, it's up 3.33%. The last 7 days, it's down 8%. In the last month, it's up 45%. In the last year, it's down 5.54%. Okay, but if you look at the chart here, when this thing begins to really rally, like we did see back in April and back in September here, it absolutely explodes. Okay, and the explosion that we did see back in April recently was considerable. I think it was like a 300%, 350% move to the upside. Most recently, in most recent weeks, we have seen literally 141% here from this low back in June. Okay, so this thing is doing very well, and it's very likely to be smashing highs yet again here in the coming days or so. Okay, as I said, micro pullback right now, absolutely fine. But you can see basically we are destined for success here to see another leg up to this area. Overall, it's looking pretty good. Now, just quickly, guys, if you're looking for sort of a meme coin that is sort of posed to do well here, you've probably heard of SPX 6900, okay? The meme coin that is exploding, that has got to that $1.8 billion market cap now, one of the nicest charts in crypto at this point in time. But I'm not talking about the SPX 6900. I'm talking about a brand new one called Token 6900. It's raised $1.1 million. Same sort of website, copycat meme coin, raising millions of dollars. It's looking pretty good for a play. Just thought I'd show you guys that very quick. I'll leave the link in the description. You guys can go check it out for yourself here. They do have staking, great tokenomics, and overall it looks like it's definitely got the potential to do something like this asset did itself, okay? So I'll leave the link in the description to that. And while you guys are going to go check that out, I'm going to go back to Turbo, and I'm going to look at a money-making opportunity for Turbo. Okay, let's see how we can be trading this here on the hourly just quickly. We're probably going to be doing something along the lines of this, looking for this lovely trend line to the downside there, and then there's going to be basically a breakout scenario from there. Okay, we're going to copy and paste that trend line down, see if there's any sort of correlation here. As you can see, we do have a bit of correlation here with support, creating this falling parallel channel. Falling parallel channels at the top of an uptrend, guys, that is a bull flag. Bull flags tend to usually break, you guessed it, to the upside. Okay, so what we're really looking for now, the next move here for Turbo, is very simple. It's the measure move from this low to this high. We take that measure move, got a little bit ski whip there. We take that measure move, we bring it to this side, and we draw a little price range, and that gives us how much percentage we could be making by getting involved with it here and selling it here. So it's 12.95%. You're 10xing that. That's 129% on your futures investment. Unbelievable stuff. Crazy trade there. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section, guys, about Turbo. And also, I want to see a price prediction for Turbo. Do you think Turbo can get back to that? I don't think it actually ever hit the $1 billion market cap, but do you think it can get to that $1 billion market cap in this run? Overall, I think this chart is sort of creating this this new formation to the upside after seeing this disgusting low get put in recently, down around 100 mil market cap, when a lot of the market's dumped essentially as well, right? So it's very likely that we do just continue up, and a market cap of $360 million right now, that's an underpriced asset in my opinion. Okay, thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to go check out Token 6900 in the description, link in the description of the video. Definitely an opportunity to be getting involved here and making tons of money in a pre-sale that's a copycat to $1 billion asset that hasn't been copycatted before. Think of Baby Doge, think of Floki, think of SHIB. When Doge launched, think how well these other assets did. Token 6900 is in the same boat as that. Thank you ever so much for watching. Links are in the description. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.